Money is our fifth unit of this term. Children, today we are going to see about money. Let us see an situation. This is Ritu. She is going shopping. What will she need to buy things? You are right. She will need money. Let us look at the coins and currencies notes of different values that Ritu has. This is 50 coin. This is a 1 rupee coin. This is a 2 rupee coin. This is a 5 rupee and this is a 10 rupee. She also has currency notes of rupees 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 500, 1000 and 2000. Then, do you know? Our government of India indicates money as a symbol of rupees. Shall we do the problem? How many times we need to multiply with 20 to get 100? Yes, it is 5. Now, how many times we need to multiply 10 to get 100? It is 10 times. 10 into 10, 100. Now, 20 times we need to multiply with the rupees 5 to get total 100. It is 2 into 50 is equal to 100. 5 into 20 is equal to 100. 10 into 10 is equal to 100. 20 into 5 which gives 100. Fill in the box with model notes. To get 50, we have to add 20 and 10. The second box we need to put rupees 20 and in the third box we need to put 10. And we get 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 10, 50. Similarly, 20 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 which gives 50. So, the empty boxes are filled with the rupees 10 to get 50 as a total. In the last, we need to put rupees 10 in the second box, rupees 10 in the third box and rupees 20 in the fourth box. Now add the rupees 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 20 which gives rupees 50. Children, now let us see the conversion of rupees into pies. To convert rupees into pies, we have to multiply the rupees by 100. It is very easy. Here in the first example, convert rupees 2 into pies. Here we are converting rupees into pies. What we have to do? We have to multiply the rupees by 100. That is rupees 1 is equal to 100 pies. Okay, we know that rupees 1 is equal to 100 pies. Then what will be rupees 2? Yes, we have to multiply 100 rupees by 100. That is 2 rupees into 100. We get 200. To convert rupees into pies, write down pies, 200 pies. Example 2 problem. Convert 8 rupees 50 pies into pies. Now 50 is already in the form of pies. Now we have to change only the rupees. Before that, write down rupees 1 is equal to 100 pies as we know already. and 8 is in rupees. And what about 50? 50 is in pies. Now we have to multiply 8 rupees with 100 and add 50 pies, because 8 rupees, 8 is only in the form of rupees. 0.50, which represents the pies. So already it is in the pies format. So we need to convert rupees 8 into pies. We have to multiply. We have to multiply by 8 with 100. And then what we will do? Add 50 pies. Therefore, 8 rupees 50 pies can be written as multiplying 100 with 8 plus add, which means that plus 50 pies. Now 8 into 100 is 800 plus 50. Both are in pies. Now 800 plus 50 is 850. 850 pies. Children, let us see the problem one more time. Example 2. Convert 8 rupees 50 pies into pies. Solution, as we know that rupees 1 is equal to 100 pies. Here in the rupees, 8 is in the rupees form and 50, which represents pies. So we have to multiply 100 with 8 only, and then already 50 pies is there. So you have to add both the values. Okay, so we have to multiply 8 with 100 and add 50 pies. So let us write 8 rupees 50 pies as 8 into 100. We need to add the pies. 50 pies. 8 into 100 is 800 plus 50 pies. 800 plus 50 is 850 pies. Let's see the word problem. Ravi's father went to the shop and bought 1 kg of dal for rupees 38.70 pies. Convert the cost of dal into pies. Children, see, here we are going to convert rupees 38.70 pies into pies. Okay, that is, we need to multiply 100 with 38 and add the number with 70 to get the given value in the form of pies. So write down cost of 1 kg dal is equal to, it is given that 38 rupees 70 pies, and here 38 is in rupees and 70 is in pies. So what we have to do? We have to multiply by 38 with 100 and add the value to 70 pies. Therefore, rupees 38.70 pies can be written as 38 into 100 pies plus 70 pies. So both are now in pies. 38 into 100 is 3800 pies plus 70 pies. Add these two values. 3800 plus 70 is 3870 pies. Which is the cost? Cost of dal. So children, now we converted the given price value of dal into pies. Conversion of pies into rupees. To convert pies into rupees, divide the pies by 100. To convert pies into rupees, we have to divide the pies by 100. First example, convert 900 pies into rupees. So children, here 900 pies is given. We need to convert it into rupees. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to divide the pies value by 100. Write down to change the pies into rupees. Divide the pies value by 100. Thus we get 900 pies is equal to, now it is in the pies form. Now we are converting it in the rupees form. Divide it by 100. Now cancelling two zeros from the numerator and the denominator. We get 9, or else 900. When we cancel 900 by 100, it is 9 times. Now 900 pies is converted into 9 rupees. To convert 1950 pies into rupees. So children, what we have to do? We need to divide 100. Okay, divide 1950 by 100. So, to change the pies into rupees, we need to divide the pies value by 100. 1950 pies is given. Isn't it? We need to divide the value by 100. Cancel 0, 0. And when we divide 195 by 10, we get 19.5. It is in rupees. So children, listen carefully. 195 and here 10. So it is 1 tens are 10. Remaining we get 9 and bring 5 down. So 9 tens are 90 and remainder is 5. Again put point and put 0. So here 5 tens are 50. So here we getting 0. So our answer is 19.5 rupees, or write down 19 rupees 50 pies. Children, now let us see addition without conversion. Children, let us see the addition on money without conversion. Conversion, which means that converting paise into rupees and then add. So here addition on money, we are dividing it into two methods. The first method is addition without conversion and addition with conversion. Here addition without conversion we are doing. That is, without converting paise into rupees, we are going to add the given values. Now let us see a word problem. Shankar purchased 1 kg rice. 1 kg rice for rupees 45 50 paise, and 1 kg of dal for rupees 78 60 paise. Now, what is the total cost? What will be the total cost? To find that, first write down cost of 1 kg of rice is rupees 45 and 50 paise, and the cost of 1 kg of dal is rupees 78 60 paise. Here 45 78 are under the column rupees, and 50 60 are under the column paise. Okay, so now we are going to add, because to find the total cost, total, which is the keyword of addition, add all together, and total amount, to get the value of total amount, here we are adding. So 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 6, yes, it is 11. Put 1 in the paise value and bring 1 to the rupees value. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. And bring 1. 5 plus 7 is 12. Here it is rupees. Total cost is 124 rupees 10 paise. Let us see one more example. Addition without conversion, that is, here we are not converting rupees into paise or paise into rupees. Okay, just adding the paise values as well as the rupees values. Okay, so first, how to do the problem? Let us see. Now, in the rupees column, write 24, and in paise column, write down 52. Okay, and then in the rupees column, 15 rupees is there, and in paise 23 is there. So now we are going to add these two values. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Now, with the same problem, we are doing addition with conversion. Addition with conversion. Listen carefully. Addition with conversion. Adding rupees 24 52 paise and rupees 15 23 paise. Okay, now how to do the addition on money with conversion? That is, with conversion, it means that we are going to convert paise into rupees or rupees into paise. So in this problem, let us convert rupees into paise. So here let us take 24 rupees 52 paise. So converting rupees 24 52 paise, what you have to do? Yes, we have to multiply 100 with 24. 100, that is, we know that 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise, and rupees 24 becomes 24 into 100 paise. That is 2400 paise. Here already 52 paise is there. So totally we get 2400 pies plus 52 pies. It is equal to 2452 pies. The second value, we can convert the second value into pies. Here 1 rupees is equal to 100 pies, as we know that already, and rupees 15 is equal to, yes, 15 into 100 pies, that is 1500 pies. Already 22 pies is there, so rupees 1523 pies can be written as rupees 15 is 1500 pies. Rupees 15 is equal to 1500 pies plus multiplying 100 with the rupees value and add the value with the pies value, that is 23 pies. So what is our answer? 1523 pies. Now we get two values. Now, children, our problem is adding rupees 2450 pies and rupees 1523 pies, isn't it? Now we are adding with conversion, that is we converted rupees into pies. Children, adding 2452 pies and 1523 pies, that is we converted rupees into totally pies. That is, when we add these two values, what we get? Two plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 5 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. That is 3975 pies. So we are adding the cost values with conversion, as we get 3975 paise as our final value. Now let us see example problems. Irusen went to electronic shop and bought 100 watts, 120 watts, 150 watts bulbs for amount rupees 1250 pies, rupees 1470 pies and 18 rupees 50 pies. What is the total amount he spent in all? So children, here total, which means that we have to add. Cost of 100 watts bulb is rupees 1250 paise, and cost of 120 watts bulb is rupees 1470 paise, and cost of 150 watts bulb is rupees 1850 paise. Now what is the total amount he spent in all? To find that, we need to add all these three values, that is 0 plus 0 plus 0, we get 0. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. And bring 1 to the rupees column, rupees pies. And 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. Write down 5 here and put 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Here the symbol is rupees. The total amount he has to spend in all is equal to 45 rupees 70 pies. Children, here we have done addition on money without conversion. Children, do the following activities. First problem, Ilangovan bought a bat for rupees 105 and 15 pies and a ball for rupees 24. How much money did he spend in all? So children, here in all we need to add. Second problem. Saddam went to vegetable shop and bought 1 kg of brinjal for rupees 28 and 50 pies. 1 kg of lady's finger for 10 rupees 50 pies. 1 kg of pumpkin for rupees 11 50 pies. Find the total amount he spent in all. So children, here total, which represents the addition. It is the keyword of addition. So we need to add the given amount. Third problem. Kanmani bought pad and pen for her daughter at the cost of rupees 65.50 pies and rupees 48.75 pies. How much money did she pay for the things? How much money did she pay for the things? So children, here we need to add the given cost values.